Acidic and basic strength of organic compounds. Acidic strength and basic strength of organic compounds. Acidic strength is symbol is Ka, basic strength symbol is Kb. Here Ka means acid dissociation constant, Kb means base dissociation constant. Now, acidic strength is directly proportional to minus mesomeric effect and minus inductive group effect. And basic strength is directly proportional to plus mesomeric and plus inductive group, right? So how we compare this acidic strength? See, in the acid, what is the acids? Acid means which can donate H plus ion, those are acids in the aqueous medium, right? So the acid which can easily donate that acid is called strong acid. So that depends on after donating H plus ion, if the conjugate base, this is called acid, this is called conjugate base, this is called conjugate base. If the conjugate base is more stable, if it is more stable, obviously this acid can release H plus very easily. Okay, so the tendency of efficiently losing H plus ion that depends on the conjugate base stability. If more stable is there, obviously stronger acid, less stable is there, less acidic strength. So example here, this carboxylate is there, that is more stable. If I take one more example here, alcohol, CH3O minus is there. From where we got it? CH3OH. Methyl alcohol से हमको methoxide बन गया, right? After losing H plus ion. Is it stable? No, it is unstable. Why it is unstable? Because negative charge is attached with plus inductive groups. Plus inductive group. So that is unstable. Unstable means it won't be formed. It won't be formed means it cannot release H plus ion. H plus ion it cannot release. That's why alcohol is less acidic than carboxylic acid. Right? Now, what about basic strength? Basic strength means what is the base? Lone pair donating and H plus receiver and OH minus donating. अभी इधर OH minus तो जरूरत नहीं है हर केस में. So here H plus receiver we can take Lewis acid. Lewis base means lone pair donor and Bronsted base means H plus receiver. ठीक है? So I am taking Bronsted base definition. So H plus receivers are bases which can receive efficiently H plus, that is called strong base. हमको कैसे पता चलेगा efficiently receiving? So that is depends on after taking H plus. After taking H plus, it is forming conjugate acid because it is the base. Base after taking H plus, it is forming conjugate acid. This conjugate acid, if it is stable, if it is more stable, that is strong base, right? So this NH3 plus stability पे depend होता है. अब suppose here one methyl is there, next suppose one more NH plus is there that has one more methyl. In this case here two donors are there, this positive charge get more stability. Yes, so this dimethylamine has higher basic than methylamine. Okay, how I said? See, after taking H plus forming conjugate acid, this conjugate acid in which case it is more, that is stronger base, right? Now we had to know a little bit about this resonating structures, which resonating structures are stable and what are the conditions. See, for resonating structures, non-polar resonating structure is more stable than the polar resonating structure. What is that meaning? Polar means positive and negative charges. Positive and negative charges. Here is a neutral. Okay. Neutral is more stable than positive and negative charges. Suppose positive and negative charges are there in polar. In that case, if octet is there more stable than incomplete octet. What is octet? 8 electrons. Each atom, if it has 8 electron, that is more stable. In that structure, at least any one atom is not having 8 electrons, then obviously that is incomplete. Then the third point is more positive charge on more electronegative is less stable. That means negative charge on more electronegative atom is more stable. More stable. किस पे? Suppose O minus, F minus, like this is there, it is a more stable. More electronegative atom with negative charge is more stable. So 3 points you have to remember. Now see here, carboxylic acid and complete octet. So charges, what are written here? Lone pair is there, this lone pair is given here, this pi bond shifted here. So these are the resonance structure. Now, in दोनों में first and second में which resonance structure is more stable? The first one is more stable. Why? Here neutral one, here positive and negative charges are there. Okay. Then again, suppose if you take only this C double bond O or C double bond O, OH is there. Here only this pi bond is shifted. In that case, this carbon, this oxygen is getting minus charge, this carbon is getting positive charge after shifting. So this is the structure. Okay. Now you can see here this carbon have only 6 electrons. Only 6 electron. That means incomplete octet. There is no 8 electron. That's why it is least stable. Okay. Neutral is more stable than charged one. In these charges, octet is more stable than the incomplete octet. Next, you can see RC plus double bond O, RC triple bond O plus is there. Complete octet, incomplete octet. Incomplete octet is kabhi bhi unstable. Okay, order of preference also. Incomplete octet means that is least stable. Next, third example, oxygen getting negative charge. Here oxygen is with negative charge, here carbon is with negative charge. Which is more stable? More electronegative with more electronegative atom with negative charge is more stable. So the first one is more stable than the second one. Now phenol, acidic strength. So in the phenol, if ortho position methyl is there, meta position methyl is there, para position methyl is there, how this acidic strength is changing? See, Ka is indicating directly. Ka value is higher means, if Ka value is higher means strong acid. Strong acid. Suppose pKa value higher means weak acid. Weak acid. Okay. So Ka and pKa, these are quite opposite, inverse. Okay. Now we can take each one example. We can say suppose phenol is there. In the phenol, nitro group is there. Ortho position में nitro है तो you can observe this values 600, 50 and 690. Okay. Para position में stronger acid, then ortho, then meta. So one by one we will discuss now. Suppose now phenol acidic strength acidic strength of phenol. Now with different groups, phenol acidic strength we will discuss now. Paranitrophenol, paranitrophenol, then parachlorophenol, then phenol, then paramethyl phenol, then paramethoxyphenol. See that order of acidic strength. See, acidic strength Ka is directly proportional to minus mesomeric and minus inductive. Ka is inversely proportional to plus M and plus I, right? See, NO2, here NO2 is minus mesomeric group. This chlorine is plus mesomeric minus inductive. Okay, but plus mesomeric effect is least effect. Okay, plus mesomeric effect, third period onwards, third, fourth, fifth period elements not forming proper pi bonds. Proper pi bonds. See here, mesomeric effect is due to pi bond formation. Here, lone pair is there, this lone pair. But this third period onwards, chlorine, bromine, iodine, these are not forming proper pi bonds. So here, plus mesomeric, minus inductive is there, but minus inductive is dominating plus mesomeric effect. Only for halogens. Note, it is for only halogens. For halogens, minus inductive is higher than the plus mesomeric. Okay, this is the note point, right? Now, so next here hydrogen is there, here methyl OCH3. OCH3 means here lone pair is there. So minus mesomeric, that means highest. Here something plus mesomeric effect is there, but minus inductive is there. So next level, nothing is there, it's okay. Here methyl is here hyperconjugation. Here one is plus inductive completely and hyperconjugation is there. So donating group, it is also donating. Here also donating. So whenever donating groups plus mesomeric plus inductive are there, obviously acidic strength is decreasing. अब ये दोनों में ये completely plus mesomeric effect था, ये plus inductive. So always mesomeric effect is higher than inductive effect. वो exception में halogen का exception था, but in general mesomeric effect is stronger effect than inductive. Now you understood this phenol. Here minus mesomeric effect group is there, that's why stronger acid. Minus inductive, here nothing is there, here plus inductive, here plus mesomeric, that's why least. Next example. Now if you take halogens, per orthobromo phenol, metabromo phenol, then parabromo phenol. Okay, ortho, meta, para, then normal phenol, suppose. Which one has a higher acidic strength? Which one has higher acidic strength? See here, these all are minus inductive groups. minus inductive. Of course, I told just now plus mesomeric effect also, but plus mesomeric effect say minus inductive effect is dominating. So finally, so all bromine phenol say this bromophenol is higher acidic. So normal phenol is least. This much clear. Now ortho, meta, para all are inductive effect. Inductive effect, we know that inductive effect first carbon is more, 1 is higher than 2, then 3, then 4. 4 onwards no effect, means up to 4 carbons maximum effect is there. So near is there, nearest here jada plus inductive, अभी 1 2 3 third position. Okay, average plus I, but here least plus I, sorry minus I, wait, minus I. Okay, this is the all minus I, right? So minus I ज्यादा है तो acidic strength is more. So ortho bromo phenol is higher acidic than meta, than para, than normal. Okay, minus inductive, we know that acidic strength is inversely proportional to plus mesomeric, but directly proportional to minus inductive and minus mesomeric effect. Is it clear now? Suppose if I take chloro, orthochloro, metachloro, parachloro, then normal. Normal. In these three cases, similarly you can answer. It is example 3. So orthochlorophenol is higher than metachloro, than then parachloro, then normal phenol. Same example you can apply for fluorine is there. Suppose here fluorine is there, same answer you will get it. Already bromine is over, then fluorine. Okay, now suppose if you take methyl, orthomethyl, metamethyl, then paramethyl, then normal phenol. See here this methyl group is plus inductive, plus inductive, plus inductive. Plus inductive is there means obviously least hoga. Phenol is better acidic strength than these phenols. Okay, now among these three, how can you write it? Note point is here at meta position, there is no mesomeric effect. कभी भी mesomeric effect. ओके, मेटा पोजिशन में कोई भी हो वो इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट ही कंसिडर करना है, कभी भी मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट कंसिडर नहीं करना है, इवन हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन आल्सो. सो नाउ प्लस इंडक्टिव तो सब है, ठीक है, बट हियर हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन आल्सो इज देयर, हियर आल्सो हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन इज देयर. this hyperconjugation is almost equal to plus mesomeric effect plus Me. Okay, so inductive is there, mesomeric effect is there, so least this acidic strength होगा less, least होगा. Okay, meta position में only inductive is there, that's why it is highest. Of course phenol से कम है. Now how can you give the numbering? I am giving now 1 2 3 4. अब ये 4 में फोर्थ तो हाईएस्ट हो गया, नेक्स्ट होगा 2 मेटा होगा, देन पैरा एंड आर्थो में. सो आर्थो में इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट ओनली एडजेसेंट कार्बन इज देयर, सबसे लीस्ट होगा आर्थो, लीस्ट होगा, उससे बेटर पैरा वाला होगा, दैट इज 3. अंडरस्टूड नाउ. एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू प्लस मेसोमेरिक, सो प्लस इंडक्टिव आल्सो. इंडक्टिव नजदीक में है इसलिए लीस्ट शोइंग सबसे लास्ट. फिनाल में कोई पॉजिटिव प्लस इंडक्टिव नहीं था, दैट्स व्हाई फिनाल इज बेटर. नेक्स्ट phenol OCH3 ortho position, meta position, then para position. Now normal with phenol. In this case also phenol is सबसे highest होगा क्योंकि these are plus mesomeric and plus inductive, sorry minus inductive होगा, minus inductive, but plus mesomeric effect is stronger effect than the mesomeric effect is stronger than the inductive. Okay, so in this case maximum we have to consider only mesomeric effect, but meta position में only minus inductive. Here again plus mesomeric effect minus inductive इतना fourth position में almost negligible. Now tell me which is the highest. See here nothing is there, here at least minus inductive is there. Okay, I am giving number 1 2 3 4, which is the highest? Now third will be highest क्योंकि minus inductive group is there. Next fourth nothing is there, then 1 and 3 में plus mesomeric effect is there, and now you decide which is the least, orthomethoxy or paramethoxy. Ortho and paramethoxy में orthomethoxy is more than paramethoxy. Yes, why? Orthomethoxy is more because here minus inductive effect is there, here minus inductive effect बिल्कुल zero. प्लस mesomeric effect पूरा ग्रुप में कहाँ भी रहने दो, that is equal contribution is there. Okay, so it is something better, that's why orthomethoxy, that means number 1 then number 3. What is the reason here? Minus inductive effect little bit is there. Here तो completely minus, but here minus inductive and plus mesomeric effect is there. Obviously plus mesomeric effect dominating, but comparatively here minus and plus m, here minus m बिल्कुल zero, fourth position था. That's why comparatively the first one ortho position OCH3 is better acidic strength than para position. Next, hydroxy group, we can say orthohydroxy, meta hydroxy, para hydroxy. Do you know the names of these? The first one is catechol, resorcinol, and this one is quinol. Catechol, resorcinol, and quinol. So here minus inductive plus mesomeric group, minus inductive only, minus inductive plus mesomeric effect. Okay, but here normal phenol also is there. Normal phenol. So normal phenol say minus inductive is there. So again numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So obviously 2 is higher than 4. Now 1 and 3 may. In case of 1 and 3, here hydrogen bond also we have to calculate, consider hydrogen bond. This hydrogen is bonded with this one, okay, intramolecular hydrogen bond. This one is intermolecular hydrogen bond, उससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं. But due to intramolecular hydrogen bond, intramolecular hydrogen bond means within the molecule, if hydrogen bond is forming, that is intramolecular hydrogen bond. See, due to this hydrogen bond, if O minus is there, stronger hydrogen bond is forming, stronger hydrogen bond. So this first one is higher than fourth. Already 2 decided, 2 and 4 over, this one over and this one over. Now we have to decide 1 and 3 may. 1 and 3 may, obviously 1 is higher than 3. 1 is higher than 3. Okay. Now next example, again hydrogen bond only. You can see the difference. OH hydrogen bond के वजह से उधर ortho is little bit higher. Now you see due to the hydrogen bond what will happen here. Compared to not normal phenol, these are having higher acidic strength because NO2 group is there. वो NO2 क्या था? Minus mesomeric effect, minus inductive, minus inductive, minus mesomeric, minus inductive. Now compared to this normal phenol, these three are having higher. इसमें see minus inductive, minus mesomeric. मतलब expected ये था 1, 2, 3, 4. Expected is highest 1 होना चाहिए था. लेकिन due to the hydrogen bond, little bit less. किससे? See here only minus inductive effect is there, here minus mesomeric effect. So obviously least तो होगा 2, sorry, least तो होगा 4, 4 से थोड़ा better होगा 2, 2 से better 1 and 3 में decide करना है. 1 and 3 में actually expected 1 is higher, but due to the hydrogen bond, this hydrogen is sticked with oxygen, so the hydrogen cannot release easily. So para position is better. So third is highest than 1. Third is the highest than 1. Okay, like this you can answer all acidic strength. Now normal phenol is there, orthonitrophenol, metanitrophenol, already it's over na. Okay, वन ऑर्थो, ठीक है। NO2, two NO2 groups are there, then three NO2 groups are there, three NO2 groups. Now acidic strength सीधा देख के बता सकते हैं। Here minus inductive, minus mesomeric, it's okay, fine. But here two groups are there. Here three groups are there. So obviously the strength is increasing, increasing, increasing. This is known as picric acid. Picric acid. Why we are calling acid? Because almost is equal to carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Acidic strength में there is no carboxylic acid functional group, but even though it is known as picric acid. Picric acid. Okay, right.